Hello everyone, my name is Julian Bass from 9i, and I will be representing group number 1 for the first math group performance task regarding fast food. The info that we are about to show you was gathered by me along with my group members, who are Angelo Carandang, Neo Edgardo Claveria, and Greg Camino. However, we decided to have one representative for the video for greater convenience. Now on with the presentation. Fast food is, as the name suggests, food that is prepared very quickly. It can also be considered as food that is preheated, packaged, and given to a customer, usually to be taken home. Fast food has become a common fare for people around the world. In fact, it has become too common. Fast food is meant to be eaten more as a last resort when no other choice is available. However, people around the world have developed a habit of eating fast food on a very regular basis. The contents in fast food can cause many health risks and problems, some of which include heart disease and the very common condition known as obesity. The rapid consumption of fast food has given rise to obesity around the world and has become a major problem. In this study, our group would like to show that the students of 9i who eat fast food more than others, or the other students, tend to weigh more than those who eat less fast food. Once our group gathered our information from a survey in our class, 9i, we presented the data in the form of a table, graph, and equation. Initially, we gathered these data, where we got the individual weight in pounds of the students, along with the information on how many times they ate in a fast food place every month. You will see the individual weights of the people in the left-hand column, while the frequency of eating fast food per month is shown in the rightmost column. However, for the easier classification of the students, we decided to create 3 groups with the heading Body Classification. We then assigned those that weigh 99 pounds and below to fall under the classification collectively called Light. For those weighing 100 to 120 pounds, we classified them as medium. Finally, those who weighed 121 pounds and above were classified as heavy. After assigning this classification, we now have a simpler way to group the students so that we may be able to present a less complicated table. In here, you will now see that there were 8 students who fell under the heavy body classification, there were 7 who fell under the light body classification, and there were 6 students who fell under the medium body classification. We used this specific table to make our graph, which we will then show later. We also made this little pie chart to show a visual representation of each of the weight categories. So the blue portion shows the respondents who are classified as heavy, the green portion shows the respondents who are classified as medium, and the red portion shows the respondents classified as light. Now, in the graph we made, Now in the graph, the x-axis represents the number of people per weight category. We see that the weight category with the highest number of respondents is the heavy category, while the lowest category is the medium category. Alright, that's pretty much it for the presentation. On behalf of our entire group, thank you for listening to our presentation. Goodbye.